This P0599 repairing video is dedicated to Ford's drivers. If your Ford is getting a P0599 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0599. This means that the engine's thermostat is experiencing an issue with the control voltage. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Ford's P0599 error code. Method A, the thermostat. In most cars, the thermostat is placed near the water pump on the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the thermostat from the engine. The engine has to be cooled before attempting the process, and then install a new thermostat. To install it correctly, you need to make sure the short end goes toward the hose and the deep end goes towards the engine. When you install it back to the engine, make sure the jiggle valve is pointed straight up to the top of the engine so the air can get through the system. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Ford's P0599 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.